Nice, everyone. We're gonna do another type of squat now. We again gonna be on our toes, but we lean forward. Our goal is to be able to touch our knee on a platform to start with, and eventually all the way down to the floor. So don't rush through this. Again, I'm gonna try to control my movement down to go as slow as possible. Don't rush in the way down, and don't bang your knee on the floor as well. We can even do against the wall if you can control. But here I have got this block and it's soft as well, so I can control. So here I'm gonna go onto my toes, lean forward my hip so my quads is engaged, and I'm gonna try to lower myself, nice and control, and then push it back. On the way back, I go my toes, and then I sit back on my heels. If you can control with your weight on your toes throughout the whole exercise, even better, but it's quite challenging. And on my toes, control, in, push, and come back. Again, I'm not trying to go in and drop my weight there. If it happens, fine. That means we need to a higher platform. So for instance, if the platform squat is higher, is here, so will be less challenge. So I can just go there, tap, stay on my toes, and come back. And progress as you're getting used to it and building up the strength there in order for us to move forward. Don't rush. Any questions, feel free to let me know. The more you can do the reps, the more you'll be able to step it up, but make sure you don't rush. I see you on the next one.